Are we live? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Time to play some Batman. I'm Batman. I'm very good at doing the impression. Hey, Dadarumi me! Welcome to the stream. I just switched the stream on just this second. Wow, you are fast. You are first. You are balls. How are you, buddy? Okay, I'm gonna have a sip of wine because it's 8 a.m. I am going to put the headset down. I'm gonna tweet out my stream. Check the quality of the stream. Hey Tristan, welcome, buddy. Welcome. We're gonna play some Batman. I'm Batman. I'm very good at impersonating Batman. I'm Batman. Okay, seriously now, I'm gonna put the headset down. I'm gonna tweet out the stream. Check the quality and make sure everything's fine. And we're gonna get started. I'm not going to bed unless I finish this game. I need to finish episode 1. We have to do this. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm good to go. I did everything but check the quality of the stream, so you're gonna have to tell me how the quality of the stream is. Oh, yeah, that hype in the friggin' morning. Yes, that's how it should be, Tristan. It's morning, and I'm not a morning person. But the only way for me to be this energetic at 8 a.m. and 7 a.m. is for me to have had no sleep at all. I haven't slept yet, so I'm energetic, you know. I don't do mornings, but unless I haven't been sleeping, I'm good. Alright, taking a sip, and we're gonna press X. Let's go. Checking for DLC. There's no DLC, just came out. It just came out at midnight, like about a couple of hours ago. Okay. I need to turn on the subtitles. Not now, I'm busy. Look at Batman, I'm Batman. I'm Batman. This is awesome. There is a multiplayer setting where people can actually join you. That's good. Thanks, Tristan. Thank you so much for the feedback, buddy. You can have plans. I was gonna say play and friends. You can have friends play with you with their phones, and they can make decisions with you, and the most popular decision wins. I was planning on doing a stream. People can join in and play with me, but I cannot do that because of latency. There's a delay between when I'm playing and the time you are actually watching the stream. Dadaru! Hey, buddy! I'm Batman. Look at Bruce Wayne turning into Batman. Look at that. So good. So good. I can't wait to start playing this. Alright, settings. I need to make sure that subtitles are on. Hang on. You see? By default, they're off. I hate that. Adjust brightness. Yes, let's adjust the brightness. You see, by default, it's supposed to be like this. Very dark. So I have to put that up. No, I'm not drunk. No, I'm not. I haven't been to bed. And I'm having wine. But no, not drunk. I'm not drunk. Let's go. Safety. Yes, of course. No, I changed them just so I can undo it. Oh, you. Alright, episodes, let's go. There's Bruce Wayne. Episode 1, I guess. There it is. Let's go. Select a bat tech color. Oh, that's interesting. And that reminds me of Team Mystic, Team something, and Team something from Pokemon Go. But there's also purple. My gadget's gonna be... Oh, I love the blue one. The blue looks awesome. Let's go for blue. Oh, even the red one looks cool. Blue or red, blue or red, blue or red. Somebody tells me, hey, Varo! We're trying to decide whether it's blue or red. My goodness. Still very early to get confused in the decision. But, come on. Whoever says it first in chat. Blue or red, blue or red, blue or red. We need to decide the color of Batman's tech. And gadgets. Blue or red. Please don't say purple and please don't say yellow. Blue or red, blue or red, blue or red, blue or red. I am gonna go with blue. Tristan was first. Blue. Blue it is. Now this game does not leave me enough room to commentate, so I'm gonna be very quiet most of the stream because it's a Telltale game. It's very story driven. So yeah, I'm gonna be very quiet. Let's enjoy the cutscene.
Hey, what are you?
Get it open. On it. Hey, you think he's gonna show? He'll bring the whole goddamn place down.
Stay focused.
We'll be out of here before anyone can stop us.
Hey Instant, welcome to the stream. I'm playing some Batman. Because I'm Batman.
Oh, Christ. Move in. Wait for backup!
Don't need it.
Take the stairs.
I heard stories, you know. Sent 3 home in an ambulance. The rest in body bags. No wonder the cops want him dead. Hey, you ever seen him?
Yeah, Gotham Zoo. With all the other flying animals.
I'm Batman. I'm sorry, I can't help it. Alright, so I press X to grab my grappling hook, probably. That's probably a grappling hook. Cool. What just happened?
Bruce, you can't keep doing this.
I have to. No one else will.
Every drop of blood, everything you've sacrificed. The city is safer now. It's made you a target.
I can handle it. I can
And
handle it.
people
That's
will
the
keep
point.
you in the
There's
crosshairs
nothing to fear. They need something
until
to
you're
fear.
shot out of the sky.
Criminals in this city. They need something to fear.
So is he actually telling a story?
Shit! The hell'd he go? Whatever got in, don't let it get out.
Oh, cool.
What was that?
Do I aim? Yeah. Oh, awesome. I love that he's actually terrorizing them.
Back to back,
That's the
circle up!
point of the Batman. He may not be able to handle them, but at least he puts some fear into it.
What the hell is this?
I know you're trying to create a myth, but be careful you don't turn into a monster.
So I like this. It's a
Sometimes.
flashback. Yeah, I like these kind of games, Instant. I'm starting to love Telltale. Despite the fact that their graphics are not so top-notch. They can do a very good job of narrating stories. I'm starting to enjoy these. Oops. Failed. And this is what Batman's all about, actually. Batman is more of a detective. Oh, look, it's our favorite cat.
Didn't your mother teach you to knock? Behind you, big boy. Payday.
Stay where you are!
Seriously?
You're under arrest!
Bye.
If you want to be intimidating, you're succeeding. Criminals are becoming afraid of you, so are the police.
Hey Irving, activate
Scare
alert mode
tactic.
all you want, buddy. Thank you so
Just a
much for
performance.
stopping by. But before you go, I need you to know that I'm Batman.
Without a scratch.
So far. That doesn't belong to you.
I was wondering if we'd cross paths.
You broke the law. Here I am.
cut the shit. The law. Don't tell me that's why you do all this.
This needs protecting.
Squeeze into a suit, tie on a cape. Most people dressed up like that end up in Arkham.
Gotham needs a hero. Someone to hunt down people like you.
So that makes me what?
Yes.
A villain? Sounds fun. Gotta admit it though. You give a good chase. One day you might actually catch me.
Tonight.
Don't you know not to corner a wild animal? It's dangerous.
Then let's put you in a cage.
Bring
Okay.
it, Bat.
I'm enjoying this. This reminds me of a girl I met at Comic-Con. She was dressed up as Catwoman and her costume was perfect. She was amazing. She reminds me of her. I took a picture with her. Of course.
Holy hell! You get this? Move us in, closer!
It's over.
I wouldn't be so sure.
Who are now? Jesus! Got him! Wait! Do not shoot!
Oops, wrong button. You do not mess with the Batman.
Why go to all that trouble for this?
Shit!
A myth can't be killed. You, however...
Yeah, my favorite
Professional
is
blood.
Harley Quinn as well. My favorite is Harley Quinn.
God damn it!
I got
Don't
shot.
shoot!
I was looking away. Whoa.
No! Wait!
I love Harley Quinn. Oh no, I missed! No, I didn't. Wow. I'm trying to get to a point, but the game is keeping me off focus. Saying about Harley Quinn. She is voiced by, what's her name? Tara Strong. The best impression, the best Harley Quinn is Tara Strong. And for Comic-Con, she dressed up as Harley Quinn and she looks good for her age and for having, I don't know, 2 kids that are adults. She looks so good.
Guess I was wrong about you
she was so
catching me.
yummy in that outfit.
Not sure if
Don't
it was
worry, I'll
for
drop
my
you.
sake or yours.
Who put you up to this? Answer me or I let go.
But you won't.
That's
You're
true,
not that
I'm
kind
not.
of guy.
You know it.
Bye, Bat.
So awesome. I'm getting used to the visuals of Telltale's games. I couldn't accept it at first, but now I'm getting used to them. I used to think like, ugh, the graphics are so lame.
Step out of the shadows and be Bruce Wayne tonight.
Oh, that's a much harder fight.
Don't let tombstones be your family legacy.
Well then. Time to save the city.
Yeah, I got the first trophy. Welcome to Gotham. Do you? Really?
Thank you. One. A humble district attorney like myself.
You'd love to
is
see
not
what?
used to
The
such a
Harley
ringing
Quinn
endorsement. Even
Tara
one
Strong
who
cosplay?
cut
I'll send you
Gotham's crime
pictures.
rate in
I'll send you
half.
pictures.
For too long, this city has burned with corruption and greed under Mayor Hill's authority. But I promise you, a vote for Harvey Dent.
Harvey
is a
Dent
vote to
is
finally put your foot
Two-Face,
down.
but apparently he's not
Together,
Two-Face yet here.
We can stamp out the fire and save our great city. If only Mr. Wayne, my campaign's largest backer, could have heard that applause, he would well, there he is. Fashionable and fashionably late as always. Say hi, Bruce.
Hang on. That's expensive. I'm gonna make a joke.
Enjoy drinking my wine. It's worth more than most of you.
Oh, no, he's kidding,
Yes, it
everyone.
was just a joke.
No wine is that expensive. Thank you again, everyone, for your unwavering support. Together,
I got Borderlands
we
2.
will
I still haven't
change
seen it though. I still haven't played. I have Borderlands, but I still haven't played it.
Mr.
Borderlands
Wayne,
2, the Telltale
thank
story
you
game.
for
I mean, not
opening
the
your house
Borderlands
to
game.
us. Now, I know this is the biggest mansion in Gotham, but I don't think you got lost on your way here.
Where were you?
Doing something important. I like to make
prefer the
adventures.
brooding
Working night shift.
billionaire
Doing
angle?
something important.
So the sooner we make nice with the donors, the sooner everyone will leave you alone.
Relax. It was important.
Not more than this. I know you despise these things, and truth be told, I do too.
What, a chance to show off your teeth and talk about yourself to a room full of money?
Say it ain't so.
It's called playing the game, Bruce. And tonight, if you hadn't noticed, I'm playing for City Hall.
No one came here tonight to see me.
They want to see the Bruce Wayne, am I right?
And I can see him just fine from here.
This shouldn't be painful. It's not a kidney stone. It's only a little FaceTime with potential donors. Your face, specifically, with a mouth that's saying,
Support Harvey Dent.
I'm doing
the
for
grease,
Gotham. I hate
they're the
being someone
wheels.
I'm not. Finish the drink.
And they're rolling in enough
doing this
cash
for
and
Gotham.
votes to help make Gotham a place for families again.
I'll do anything for Gotham.
These are the things I would
my
say if I
home.
was in his shoes.
Our home. This'll help you too, Bruce. Once I've turned this city around as mayor, you'll be a hero for funding my campaign.
now all I need is a decent slogan.
And your face for
Terrible
hope
at those.
is in Harvey.
It always makes me sound like a used
I
car
put dent in
salesman.
crime. Love that.
Which, for the record, I have not been since before law school.
All right. How about, put a dent in crime?
Look at you. It's not half bad. I'm going to use that.
I like that.
Bruce, I
It's a
meant what I
pun.
said.
I love puns.
Together, you and me, we change Gotham. A city free from crime, where children can play in the streets again.
That's what I want too, Harvey, but you know how rough it is.
There's no such thing as
We
too
have to
much beer.
shake
Come
things up to
on.
make that happen.
Well, we can start
I
with a
guess
few
there is.
hands.
I don't drink
on.
beer that much. I'm more of a wine and whiskey and vodka. I don't know. Beer puts me off because of the carbs.
Pause.
Mr. Wayne, I'd like to introduce you to
Bob and Regina Zellerbach. Of course I know these two.
Hello, Bruce.
Regina here is the chairwoman of Wayne Enterprises, and her husband...
Voted for Mayor Hill last time. I'll admit it, Mr. Wayne. I don't know Mr. Dent from a pothole on Main Street, but I trust your family. If you believe in Dent, we believe in you. After all, whoever you support is a reflection on you.
We can all make a
And we
difference.
trust someone like you to lead this city to greatness.
Well, thank you. But we're all here tonight because we want to make a difference. And that's what it's going to take. Every single one of us. Not just me, not just Mr. Dent. Everyone.
Right. Of course.
Old families like ours should flock together, you know.
I was gonna make a
Birds.
joke that nobody's gonna remember
You're
what I'm saying,
preaching,
and then
dear.
just appeared. Amazing.
No, it's true. The Waynes and Zellerbachs are reminders of the golden age of Gotham.
This city's luster faded years ago, Mr. Dent. Look at Gotham now. Murder in the streets, corruption in City Hall, that Cape Bat freak dealing out vigilante justice like it's the wild goddamn West.
Oh, Bobby, regarding Golden Age, seems you're getting cranky in yours. There's
Hey,
always
Chase.
hope.
Forgive
The
me
master
for being
lurker.
blunt, but one
Welcome,
man
buddy.
can't save this city. And it's
6
a
hours?
dangerous
Okay, yeah, I've
mentality
been
to
there.
think so.
I've been there.
That's how you get creeps like this
That's it,
Batman, or whatever it's called.
I'd say it all depends on the man. Sometimes you need a person who will go off script
Such as dressing up in a bat costume?
and taking out the criminals who ruin our city. Though the cape may be a bit much.
Don't worry, though. I am not doing this alone. With Bruce's help, we're replacing the dangerously unsecure Arkham Asylum with a state-of-the-art mental health facility to help Gotham's most at-risk individuals. It will be dedicated to Thomas and Martha Wayne, in the hopes that their fate will never be repeated.
After all your parents did for this city, oh, to be killed in a botched robbery in some alleyway, it was terrible. Truly terrible.
A tragedy like that at such a young age must have been crippling.
If only that deranged man had gotten the right treatment, maybe...
We're here for Harvey, not me. Don't stop talking
Well,
about
I
me.
don't like to think about maybes. And I'm sure you don't either.
Well, Harvey is the one who's been behind the project since day one. A vote for him is a vote for the memory of my parents.
You'll have it.
Thank you. Thank you both. Not saying I doubted you, but that went better than expected.
It is a night of ringing endorsements.
Oh, well, hello. Harvey Dent, Gotham's next mayor, and eager to know you.
Vicky Vale. Not interested. And reporter for the Gotham Gazette.
This is a private fundraiser, Miss Vale. No reporters allowed.
Well, you don't mind if I stay and ask a few questions, do you, Mr. Wayne?
Well, you can ask me whatever you want at the press conference
Keep it off the record,
tomorrow.
yeah. Okay.
Actually, I'm here for Mr. Wayne.
Tonight is strictly off the record. We can talk, but nothing gets written down.
I'm okay with that. I was just hoping to see what makes Bruce Wayne tick. This is quite the social event, Mr. Wayne.
Oh, come on now. It's so formal. Call me Bruce.
Well, Bruce, you've been going around pleasing everyone tonight. But how are you doing? You should enjoy your own party.
in all honesty,
all the
politics do bore me.
champagne runs out.
Just between us, politics bore the hell out of me. Too many words.
Looks like
Not
it.
enough action.
GG, Stephen's stream.
Didn't
What happened
think
with
you were the type
Stephen's
to
stream?
get his hands dirty.
Did you already finish Stephen's stream?
You'd be surprised.
He just started, no?
Mr. Wayne, you've got something on your collar. Is that blood?
I cut myself shaving. That would be the first excuse comes to my mind, so that would be it.
Oh, this? No, that's nothing. It just, cut myself shaving.
What, your butler didn't help you this time? Hey, kidding.
Do excuse me, Master Bruce, but another guest has arrived.
I'm sure they'll find the bar.
You may want to greet this one personally, sir.
Who is that? Oh,
Carmine Falcone? Is the Dent campaign soliciting votes from Gotham's biggest crime family?
Falcone's never been convicted of anything except being a businessman who loves this city.
Yeah, he's like
Excuse
a
us,
crime
Miss
boss. He's
Vale.
like the mafia or something. Falcone. And I know this from watching Gotham. I'm not a big fan of... I'm not familiar with the
And what kind of business
Gotham
do you
universe.
think he's in?
The one that controls enough votes to get me into City Hall. This is the necessary evil of politics, Bruce. It's in the service of a better Gotham, for all of us. Look, at least hear him out before you kick him out. Falcone
I
requested
don't
to
want him
speak
here.
with you directly.
I don't want him here. No.
Maybe he can change your mind.
I don't want him in my home.
Actually, you don't want him angry. Trust me. A word of warning, Bruce. Play nice.
You know, I've been in the market for a new house. Decent walk-up, sky-high ceilings, plenty of room for my cars. I think I'll take it.
You can't afford it,
Though
that's
the
what I'll start
decor
with.
offends my eyes. Oh, man, all flash, no class.
Well, you couldn't afford it.
Yeah, right. Carmine Falcone, thank you for welcoming me into your home.
I hope the game is getting my sarcasm. Shakes hand. Of course I shake hand.
You're a respectable man, I hear.
Bruce Wayne.
I know who you are. The guy who's gonna sell me his house.
Gentlemen, perhaps we'll all be more comfortable in the parlor. Follow
I was
me.
being polite. I don't like Falcone, but I was just being polite. I shook my hand. Shook my hand. Shook his hand.
You should know, Mr. Falcone, my analysts say we're raising triple with Mayor Hill. Hey, what's...
Private audience.
What?
Come on, guys. Bruce?
Harvey comes
You'll
with
be
me.
fine out there, Harvey. I saw plenty of skirts to keep you busy for a few minutes.
Harvey stays with us.
A man's home is his castle.
Of course,
I
you
respect
should.
that. Seen and not heard.
Whatever you...
What did I say? Mr. District Attorney here wants to make sure the rules are followed. But in my experience, there's the law, and there's doing what's right. You understand? And I'd rather see Harvey actually help this city
Harvey will
instead of
make
just
Gotham
saying
better.
he will.
Unlike most people I've met, Harvey actually has integrity. He's trying to make Gotham a better place.
So am I. So are you. Hey, we all carry this city on our broken backs. Might lighten the load if we do so together. I ain't here to chinwag about politics, Mr. Wayne. Gives me indigestion. I got enough of that as is. So, let's talk relationship. Chocolates for me. Be a pal.
Toss him the chalk back. What
I
does he
can
think?
get Harvey the mayor's
What does he think I am?
Or I can pull it out from under him. Whatever happened to being a gracious host?
Chocolate for you. What would you like me to do? Tie your shoelaces?
Okay, imagine. This is me. And these are all my friends in Gotham. The businesses, restaurants, clubs, docks, unions, politicians. I make them all move. And I want to keep everything moving if Harvey gets elected.
Hey,
That's why I
Stephen.
came here tonight to your lovely home, hoping to make a new friend. One who can help Mr. Dent see the
We need
light.
to talk about those parties in New York instant.
Between your businesses and mine, I bet we employ half
I'm just
the
doing this
city.
for Harvey.
Now, we got a good thing going, so I don't see why we shouldn't team up.
Look, I'm only talking
So
to
I'm
you
not looking at
because
chat that
Harvey
much,
asked.
but
Trusting
I
a
look
friend
away and there's a
to
choice
know
I
what's
have to make.
best.
Sometimes I miss it. Sorry about that.
Now, that's a predicament. You listen to me, kid. I know somewhere inside that tuxedo you understand this situation. Money gets money. The risks, the alliances, the hidden costs. Your father knew which hands to shake.
Don't talk about my father.
Break.
Don't you dare talk about my father.
You're getting worked up over nothing.
I just recognized his
No,
voice.
I know him.
I just recognized Falcone's voice. Guys, listen to Falcone's voice. Come on. First one in the chat that gets it right earns a hug.
Master Bruce, your guests are leaving. I recommend seeing them out. You wouldn't want to be rude.
Heed your butler's advice, kid. Oh, and I'm no longer interested in buying the house. The owner's a prick. And he's gonna get what's coming to
he
him.
threatened me. Oh, this is interesting. The story is amazing. Hey, Mecha! What's up, buddy? Yeah, Sully, Mechapolis got it right. Oh, it's about to start. I thought I finished the game. it's Sully Mecha, that's right. Oh, the game's just starting then. Okay. So welcome everyone. You didn't miss much.
It's me.
This is how I enter my apartment, by the way. I say it's me, and all the lights come up, my computer switches on, everything's fine, like this. That's me. I'm actually enjoying this game. It's better than I expected.
Another brutal week in Gotham, folks. A string
Hey,
of
Semi.
invasions rippled through the city's already crime-infested East End. Apparently, the bandits are using stolen GCPD battering rams to force their way in, with breaking and entering incidents up 40% over last year. Remember to keep those front doors locked tonight. And we have breaking news tonight. 5 criminals are in custody this evening after a break-in at City Hall. The notorious Batman was on the scene, but failed to secure the stolen items.
Not all of them. Let's see what she was really after.
Hey, Alley Cat, welcome.
Talk about dirty politics.
We're playing some Batman. I'm Batman. Oh, I can walk around. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I can walk around. I'm Batman. I'm Batman in a fancy suit. All right, what are we gonna do? We're gonna check the codex.
Young politicians.
And in other news, we're now on day 3 of the factory fire that will not
Back
end.
computer should be able to read whatever data is on that stolen drive.
Otisburg Processing Center, owned by Ace Chemical. Still no word on what started the fire. Whatever's burning here.
Nearly fell off a building like this.
I love you too, Stephen. I love you too, buddy. Data port. Let's do this.
And one mobster's murder caused quite a headache for computers this morning.
I want a chair that comes from underground. I want a chair like that comes from under the ground.
Let's find out what was so important.
Causing traffic to back up for miles as the cops
Encrypted.
Wayne Manor has 7 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, a library, a gymnasium, a basketball court, and a movie theatre. And yet I always find you here, in a dark, damp cave.
I'm working.
In front of a computer.
I'll leave as soon as I finish. People with regular jobs can do their work anywhere, but for me, this is my office.
I agree, it isn't normal work. Even worse, the best outcome is that no one ever finds out you've done it.
Yeah, well, good deeds usually go unnoticed.
Though not unappreciated. Did you find out what that, Catwoman tried to steal?
Well, in the process.
What are we looking at?
Let me try a different angle.
What am I supposed to do? Rotate hologram, okay.
This is a map of the East Side shoreline. But it could mean any number of things. Money, weapons, drugs, everything flows through that port.
Maybe it's where Mayor Hill picks up his dry cleaning.
Can't make sense of it yet. There's still plenty of files to decrypt.
And in the meantime, I saved you what I could.
Thanks, Al.
Yeah, the same couldn't be said for the bar. I had to literally pry Mrs. Zeller back away. But you'll be pleased to hear everyone has left, including Mr. Falcone. Before the game switched from billiards to cutthroat. I'd recommend leaving the fistfights to your alter ego.
I won't play this game.
Bloodstains are much harder to remove from a tuxedo.
I don't want anything to do with Falcone.
Well, he certainly showed interest in you. That's what worries me. For the
Sorry, I'm not
record,
following chat,
your
guys. I'm
father
very, very sorry.
despised men like Falcone. Thought they
Because I can
ruined
bet the
Gotham's
moment I look
stellar
away,
reputation.
I'm gonna have to make a choice or something.
It can again, Bruce. Though people like this Catwoman aren't helping. Is she new to town?
Never seen her before. Hopefully, she's just a tourist. I'll check the codex.
Codex. What's this? Gotham feed. Codex. Identified individuals. What's all this? Do I need to check all of them? I'm gonna look at chat while I'm in these funny menus. Is because I was wondering, Stephen, actually, sorry, I was away from chat and I had no idea what was going on. I saw you start the stream just like 5 minutes before I started, and I'm like, did he finish the game already? No, no, that's impossible. So it was the connection issues. Nice, running amazing. Vloggy stream is crisp. Because I made a speed test before I started. I have 30 megabytes download and 30 megabytes upload. It's exactly like that. But I hacked my upload speed, huh? I did something. Really? Oh, Stephen. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go back to the game now. I don't know. All of them have an exclamation mark next to them, so I'm just gonna.
Found her.
Not much to find, apparently.
A few burglaries, break-ins. Seems to lay pretty low.
You could learn a thing or two from her. You can't step outside without it ending up in the news lately.
Don't compare me to her.
As Bruce,
Alfred, you should know better.
I don't like being compared to a common criminal.
No, I think you're missing the point. You have to admit you've been drawing a lot of attention to yourself, and not the playboy billionaire buys new yacht kind of attention. I don't mean to beat a dead argument, but...
No one's gonna figure it out now. Trust me.
Miss Vale noticed your injuries, so did Mr. Dent. If they put it together with the incident at the mayor's office, it would undo all the long nights and close calls we've endured to get here. You're in the spotlight.
You're right, Alfred. He's right. I like Alfred because he's like the conscience and the mind behind Bruce sometimes.
Should have cancelled the event.
Well, I know how much pressure you're under. I don't mean to add to it.
It's okay. I know you're only looking out for me.
If we make a suit that fits me, we can trade places some night. Though I'm not partial to heights. Old men worry, that's all. It's our gift and our curse. One more worry for the list.
Business card.
I thought I saw Oz. It's been, what, 20 years? Last time I saw him, we were in grade school.
Indeed. You two were thick as thieves. Oswald, however, took that role more literally than you.
Dishonorable discharge, illegal boxing matches, arms dealing, prison stints?
That's a criminal grand slam, if I'm using the expression correctly.
Unfortunately, you are.
Oswald claimed he only wanted to catch up, but his behavior following his family's collapse is troubling. Why he's returning now...
He needs money. So I'll give him a chance. Yes, let's give him a chance. Why not?
I think he just wants to reconnect. Criminal record or not, he's still an old friend.
Hey, Curtis. What? No, bye.
If I remember correctly, Oswald was fond of the old firecrackers in the toilet trick. I worry what he's graduated to. Even though you and young Master Cobblepot used to be close, I'd advise
you
to
keep it clean, Curtis.
But I know you can't abandon a good mystery until it's solved.
I'll be careful, Alfred.
When you see what's become of his park, I think you will.
Another trophy. This game makes me stay so quiet. Cobblepot Park. Seriously, there's a Cobblepot Park named after Cobblepot. Interesting. It's alright. Don't worry about it.
Where are you, Oz?
Alright, so it's time for me to walk again. Let's walk around for a bit. I'm Bruce. This game is open world. Look at the open world, guys. Curtis, bye, have a great time. Let's go bother somebody else. There's graffiti here, let's check them out. Sorry if I was yelling in someone's ears. Sorry if I was too loud. Homeless person. Can I give him something? Give change, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I wouldn't do that in real life because I'm not Bruce Wayne. But Bruce Wayne can afford it, and
Great.
I'm good with what?
The statue, but no Oz.
There's a smoking man and there's something here. Shopping cart. Let's look at the shopping cart because it's interesting apparently. Yes, Semiconductor. It was just released a couple of hours ago, yeah. I'm starting to really like these narratives. Look, is that Cobblepot? That's Cobblepot. I think that's Cobblepot. He looks like him. He's got the monocle or something, whatever it's called. Is that him? No, it's not. No, it's not.
Watch wallet cash. But this goes through you. Hey, you heard it, man.
Just walk away.
The hell are you waiting for?
You're making a mistake.
You already made one coming here. The next one kills you. And him.
Gentlemen!
Oz.
Keep walking, all right? This don't concern you, twerp.
You see, that's where you're mistaken. My old mate and I have some catching up to do. And you're ruining the moment! Come here. Think that'll do?
Oops. I put the controller down. Good for me.
Stay down! This used to be a nice place. No lives like you don't belong. This is my park! Mine! You hear that? Oh, hey Bruce. You've got a little, Yeah, good as new. Woo! That was a right little scrap, huh?
I love his accent. I really do.
Kickstarts the system like a dash of adrenaline, eh?
Thanks for the help, I suppose.
Someone needed to deal with the rubber situation here.
Thanks for the backup.
You're welcome, Varro. Sorry about that. But I say it with passion when I dismiss someone from my stream. Is that the right word? Dismiss?
2 decades.
Dismiss?
And you know what? I haven't been mugged once that entire time.
That wasn't why I brought you here, mate. Right now, I am trying to recognize the little Bruce I used to run around this place with. Back when it wasn't, you know, like this. This park used to mean something. A place that was safe for kids, for families.
Place is wrecked.
People came from all over to visit. Oh, Mum and Dad, they put so much work in here.
Well, those were better days.
So you're actually Italian?
They were.
Or did you live in Italy?
Thought we'd grow up to be kings, I did. Both of us. This city chews right through people. Mum committed to Arkham. Dad ended it himself, he did. My family's fortune. There's nothing left, Bruce.
I know. Alfred told me.
It's funny, huh? Same place that ground my family to dust. Gave you the good life. Used to run in the same circles we did. Hobnobbing parties, round-the-world vacations, unlimited potential.
I'm sorry, Oz. No one should have to go through that.
Thanks, Bruce. But we
Wait a minute, is this Oswald Cobblepot?
Good to know you haven't changed, Bruce. You still care about something more than just yourself. Although, I was surprised to see Carmine Falcone at your party last night. Made himself right at home.
He wasn't invited.
That oily...
Falcone was an uninvited...
Oh, were you? Wow, interesting.
Never want to see his face again.
Interesting.
On that, we can agree in earnest.
So you lived in Italy for a while?
Falcone made a stack of cash and corpses a mile high, ruining families like mine. All he needs is a little push. And... it'd be a treat to watch him hit pavement. Sorry, mate. This reunion got a lot more grim than I planned. Things are gonna be on the upswing soon, no? A revolution is knocking on Gotham's door. And I'm here to let it in. Which brings me to you, Bruce. You see, you throw a rock in any direction, you break a window that Wayne Enterprises owns. As the rich and powerful go, oh, you top Gotham's list. But when my revolution starts, we're gonna smash windows and cross off names all the way down.
I'm not your enemy.
It's not gonna be pretty. It's gonna be beautiful.
I'm not your enemy, Oz.
That remains to be seen, don't it? I've got great affection for you, Bruce. I really do. Which is why I'm warning you. When this whole thing starts, make sure you're on the right side.
Starting to think this is Oswald Cobblepot, Penguin.
Good seeing you, Bruce, but I got some rocks to collect. Cheers.
Isn't Penguin supposed to be fat? And with a monocle and press conference for new hospital start soon. Oh man. He always has some place to go. Welcome, Wesker. Albert. We're playing some Batman. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. I want to get some more wine, but the story keeps going. There's no way I can pause this. Can I pause this? I'm afraid to skip a cutscene if I pause this. I'm gonna try. I paused it. That means I'm gonna get me some wine. I'm gonna be right back in like 1 minute. 1 minute. Give me a sec, guys. 1 minute. as I was pouring wine, I was thinking, did I say I'm gonna be back in 1 minute? Just give me a second. Did I just say that? I think I said that. It's all right. Hang on. I'm gonna have a sip now. Let's go.
Mr. Wayne, over here, right here.
This way.
Bruce!
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Morning, Mr. Dent.
Hey, Bruce, you mind if we swap cars? I mean, mine isn't fast and the paint's rusting off, but boy, does she have charm. We didn't bring you all out here to discuss cars, honestly. Now, we're here about Arkham Asylum. Ever since it opened its doors, Arkham has been a breeding ground for the criminally insane. Its methods for rehabilitation, crude. Its security, lacking. Worse still, those who do get out, or God forbid escape, are even more dangerous than before they went in. Arkham Asylum
I find this funny.
is a cancer on Gotham. But today, with a sizable contribution from this man here, we break ground on a state-of-the-art mental health care facility. One that will improve the well-being of Gotham and its citizens for years to come. Now, Mr. Wayne has a few words he'd like to say. Bruce?
Boobies.
My parents loved Gotham. They invested their blood, sweat, and tears in this city. You know, when I was 9 years old, my parents took me to see a movie about a hero in a mask. It was a hero who stood up to oppression and defended the people from injustice, no matter the cost. That night, my parents paid the ultimate cost defending me from a man who needed the kind of help this new facility will provide.
Let's put a dent in crime. Let's keep using this.
With this facility and our next mayor, we can put a dent in crime.
Today, on the anniversary of that fateful night, we dedicate this facility to Thomas and Martha Wayne.
I don't know anything about cars either.
A new era of healing for Gotham.
I'm sure you all have plenty of questions.
Actually, I don't know anything about
so let's
manly stuff. I don't know anything. Whether it's hunting, cars, football, sports,
this
nothing.
New hospital. What does this
Video
mean
games,
for Arkham
for the win.
Asylum? What happens to the old building?
I have no idea what she asked. I'm just gonna tear it down.
We should tear down the walls and erase it from the map.
I have no idea what I just said.
Lingering on past mistakes.
I'm gonna have to watch my own stream now.
I want us to focus on Gotham's future. All right, who's up next? You there.
Mr. Wayne, Julia Remark of the Tribune. My sources say you welcomed alleged mob boss Carmine Falcone into your home.
So?
You even shook his hand.
That's what people do. People shake hands. It's a free country.
Well, I think Mr. Falcone is a voter just like anyone else in this city. He came to learn about Harvey Dent.
Exactly.
Your
No,
next
I agree.
mayor.
Just because I shook his hand. That's
Please,
that's
keep your
called
questions
manners.
on topic, people.
Read the text.
They're
Let's
about
read
the
the text now
hospital,
because he's gonna keep annoying me. Urgent. GCPD is here.
But Mr. Wayne, this morning the Globe received evidence of an offshore bank account managed by Carmine Falcone and your father, Thomas Wayne.
What exactly are you implying?
Transactions connected to organized crime going back years and continuing to this day. The paper trail ties your family
Are you kidding
directly
me?
to the mob. Care to comment?
How dare you? No comment. I doubt your evidence.
And did anyone else receive this evidence?
The Globe, the Gazette, we all did. Mr. Wayne! Mr. Wayne! Is all your money dirty?
Is the Wayne family legacy built on lies?
Did you know about this, Bruce?
How long has your family been dealing with Falcone?
Could the allegations be true?
What aren't you telling us?
Does the mob sign Wayne Enterprises paychecks?
I think you should check your source. Sounds to me like an intern is finally putting their creative writing minor to good use.
Mr. Wayne! Mr. Wayne!
How long has your family been dealing with Falcone?
Could the allegations be true?
Did you know about this, Bruce?
What aren't you telling us?
I'm sorry about this, Bruce. I don't know where the hell it's coming from. Damage control's my territory. We'll talk later.
Everyone, please settle down. I'll be fielding your questions from here on out. Please, let's try to keep this civilized.
Bruce, I've been trying to reach you. The
What?
police are inside the manor.
What's going on? Have you noticed how we've been playing as Bruce more as we have been playing with Batman? It's weird. Okay, sorry I've been missing so much of chat. I hope you're all behaving.
Hey, careful! Put it back.
I'm afraid we can't, Mr.
You went mudding.
Says who?
This warrant.
You're making a mistake. Go ahead and do your job.
It's not personal. I had the boys turn the lights off, keep a low profile.
I understand. You're just doing your job, Lieutenant.
Trying to. It's hard to be a cop in this city.
That's why there's Batman.
Every battle's uphill, in the rain, with skates on.
Alfred, keep an eye on them. Make sure they only take what they have to.
Of course, sir.
Oh, I just realized I have a bat cave in my mansion. Oops.
I meant what I said about not personal. We only want files related to Wayne Enterprises. The warrant covers your place, pardon me, places of residence.
Who authorized this?
And any companies you own. Your holdings are extensive.
Who authorized this?
I know you and the DA are buddy-buddy, but this one came from the top. It's a valid warrant. I gotta serve it. Mayor Hill signed off on this himself. As long as he's mayor, he calls the shots.
Okay, so you just do whatever Mayor Hill says.
Hill and I, we have a vested interest to keep things professional. For Gotham's sake. Doesn't mean I like the words whistling through his windpipes. I don't know how your neck ended up on Mayor Hill's shopping block, but here we are.
Hill knows if I go down, Harvey's campaign goes
That's what I
down,
figured, yeah.
That'd be a real shame. Mr. Dent's the only DA I ever trusted to make a conviction stick. As mayor, I think he can finally turn things around for us. For all our sakes, I pray you've got nothing to hide.
It's so hard playing these kind of games and keeping up with chat. No, it's not small. Do you think, Instant? Do you think it's very small? No. Bruce? No. I don't know, it's just a hunch. It's just a hunch. He's a big guy.
Bruce, stay back!
Take whatever you want.
You don't have to do this.
Oh, I get it. These were the last movie tickets they had when they went to see the movie and then they died. That's why he's keeping them.
Bruce? I didn't mean to interrupt, but...
No problem at all.
It's not a problem, really.
Ah, Bruce. First the mayor's office, now Wayne Manor. Gotham continues its streak of break-ins.
Really going for the record, huh?
Listen, Bruce. A scandal surrounding a beloved family like yours captures the public's attention. I can help you get the right kind of attention. Through my connections at the Gazette, I have all kinds of access.
What's your angle?
I can dig up whatever you need to fight this.
What's your angle?
Not all reporters just want a headline. Some of us are old-fashioned. I still want the truth. The Gazette received this supposed evidence like every other media outlet, and it's all hearsay. flimsy sources. There isn't a shred of hard proof.
Still, allegations like this, they don't magically appear. Someone is going after my family, after me.
Obviously, the sender didn't identify themselves. We have no idea who it could be. I mean, no one's even
maybe
done
it's
their due
Falcone.
diligence
Yeah, it
on
didn't
this
cross
yet.
my mind.
The press
Maybe it
saw
is
the
Falcone. I'm
fumble,
gonna
grabbed
go
the
with
ball,
Falcone.
and ran. Not every day you get to go after a Wayne.
Carmine Falcone wants me to be in his pocket. He crashed Harvey's fundraiser and pretty much said, hop in.
Well, maybe he thinks putting a little fear in you will make you jump.
It won't.
By tonight, this scandal will be broadcast to every screen in Gotham. Everyone will be talking about it.
This isn't my first pass through the rumor mill. I know the damage it can do.
Then go on the record. Right here, right now, and stop it. You need to get out of this. Your
Let's give a quote.
side
Yeah, I
is
would
what
give a
matters,
quote.
not wild speculation.
On the record, then.
Whenever you're ready.
Justice will be served.
Whoever fabricated these lies about my family, they will get what they deserve. Understood?
That's exactly what the people of Gotham need to hear. You're gonna beat this, Bruce. The
She's on
Waynes
my side.
always come out on top.
Goodbye, Miss Vale.
I hate to admit it, but everyone smells smoke. A fire is heading this way.
Batman has made plenty of enemies, but my family... We've done nothing but support Gotham, even in its darkest days.
All this on the anniversary of your parents'...
It's not a coincidence. Harvey's the district attorney. He
You
should
know
have
how
told me this
everything
was
in,
coming.
you know,
Then
how
find out
everything
why
Batman
he
owns
didn't.
is like the Bat something, the Batmobile, the Batcave, the Batmobile. Did I say that already? The Batsuit. And there was one movie where the Batsuit had the Bat nipples. I think it was the Clooney one. I'm not so sure.
A warrant? What the hell's going on? Wait, does this have to do with
Someone's
what the
after me.
reporters were talking about this morning?
Yeah, someone's coming after me.
Let's avoid making another scene, shall we? The press is already up my ass as it is.
Mayor Hill authorized this?
Yeah, then the cops raid my house, taking everything related to Wayne Enterprises. Computers, hard drives, files.
Oh, son of a bitch.
You're the goddamn DA, Harvey.
I didn't know about this. I swear. Hill totally blindsided me on this one. God damn it. He has no right to issue search warrants without my okay.
Okay, I believe you, Harvey. Mayor Hill's trying to screw us both over with this move.
And then he's made two enemies. I just don't get
I'm
it.
really enjoying the game, actually.
Why
I'm
would
really
Hill
immersed
stick his
in the
neck
game.
out over this? Just to tangle you up in some frivolous investigation? It just
It's
doesn't make
Falcone.
sense.
I keep saying it's
I mean, what could
Falcone
he
now. It
possibly
never crossed
hope
my
to
mind, but when I saw the
accomplish
option
other than a few
earlier, I'm like,
cheap
it has to be
headlines?
Falcone because
Do
he
you think
threatened
Falcone
me.
could be behind it?
He didn't seem too thrilled after the fundraiser. Oh, God, what a mess. Bruce, I wish I could just make this go away, but I'm not sure if I can. If I get in the way of this investigation, Hill would be able to spin it as a conflict of interest. And that wouldn't be good for either of us. It would jeopardize the entire campaign.
Then I'll go it alone. I've got plenty of resources to fight this.
We're in a bind here, Bruce. I'll do whatever I can to help.
There you are.
Hey, you?
Sorry. I got a habit of being late.
Yeah, I think it
no,
was
just
Batman Forever, yeah.
glad you made it.
was Batman Forever. Look at that! Oh! Uh-oh. They recognized each other. They recognized each other. Oh my goodness, did you guys see that?
A friend to dinner.
Selena.
This is Selena.
Selena Kyle.
I hope I'm not interrupting.
I think we've met. I'm gonna say that.
Just election nonsense.
I think we've met before.
You do look familiar.
Everyone knows who Bruce Wayne is.
Do they?
Pleasure to meet you,
Kyle.
Miss...
Ugh.
Kyle.
She's the Catwoman.
It's a strong grip you've got there. Don't worry. I'm not gonna fall.
Oh, right, sorry.
Selena's new to town. I've been showing her around Gotham. introducing her to people.
You're an excellent
I'm
tour
gonna
guide.
say that. What happened to your... She's gonna ask me about the scratches on my face if I do that, but I am gonna do that.
Drive
Let's
one
go.
of those double-decker tour buses around town.
How'd you get that shiner?
Bruce?
It's okay. Money doesn't buy manners, right? I was mugged. I'm just angry I let that masked freak get away with all my stuff.
I still can't believe I let you walk
What did
home
you lose?
alone. I should have called you a car.
Well, I sure hope whatever he took wasn't too valuable.
Actually, it was.
It's probably long gone by now. Whatever that idiot took.
I hope not. These were important materials.
Ooh, sensitive?
Very. I don't know how I'm gonna explain this to my client. When things like this happen in my line of work, people tend to
They'll
overreact.
understand.
We should just be thankful you got away with a black eye.
I'm sure your clients will understand.
I
I'm
doubt
enjoying
it.
this.
In my business, people aren't very forgiving. At least I'm not the only one who's taken a beating. That press conference? Oof.
We've got it under control.
Do you?
I'll handle it. Someone at my office has to know what's going on.
Bat micro.
Excuse me a moment.
They're gonna have a
Hey,
private
it's
conversation without Harvey. This is gonna be awesome. So awkward. You're not talking. Come on, talk.
Nice to meet the real you.
Don't say anything. Please.
We'll see.
Of course she's gonna do that.
This explains a lot, actually. How you can afford the fancy armor, the toys. Wouldn't Harvey be surprised? Not to mention, everyone in this cafe.
Sorry about the black eye.
It's not the first time a man's hit me.
Sorry to hear that.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna expose you.
Of course she's
Yet.
gonna threaten.
I'm curious about something, though. I do what I do for money, but you're... Bruce Wayne. What's your excuse? I have to.
I'm the good guy.
But you...
I'm Batman.
Why take the risk?
Hey!
Someone
Hey!
has to be the
Deviant Art. Welcome.
I suppose you think that makes me a bad
We're playing
girl.
some Batman.
Well, aren't you?
Batman.
You have something that belongs to me. I want it back.
Who
This
are
is
you?
awkward for me. I'm used to robbing people, not the one being robbed.
Who hired you to break into the mayor's office?
My clients prefer to remain confidential. They don't know who I am. I don't know who they are.
But you know who I am.
These people I'm working for, they don't screw around. If I fail to deliver that drive, it's gonna cost a lot more than money.
Well, looks like you've made your bed.
No, we've made this bed, and I'm not gonna lie in it alone. You owe me. If they
No,
don't
I
get what
don't.
they want, there will be consequences.
I don't owe you anything. As far as I'm concerned, you're on your own.
Huh. I was hoping we could work together.
Sorry. I'm a solo act.
Listen, I don't have a lot of time. My employer is expecting me to drop it off.
Where?
Just give it back.
The address. Now.
No, give me the drive.
You need to trust me.
You're just going to have to trust me.
I don't do trust. I guess I'm screwed either way. My contact, he'll be expecting a cat, not a bat.
When are you supposed to meet him?
15 minutes ago. Better hurry.
Everything okay here?
You tell me.
I have my people working on it. We're gonna straighten everything out.
I feel better already.
I'm thinking about playing this game again and ask
Sorry,
different
but
questions.
I've got to run.
So soon? Aren't you gonna stay for a drink?
Yeah, Bruce. Stay for a drink?
I'd love to, but I've got another appointment and I really don't want to be late for it.
Oh, all right then. Don't forget to change into your suit.
I like her character. Vloggy's Batman's so cute. Oh man, this game is really good, Deviant. It's really, really good. I'm really enjoying it. It's better than I expected. There's Batman.
Alfred, I'm at the warehouse. No sign of Catwoman's contact. It's quiet.
The sound of an ambush. Stay on guard.
Wow, that's late. Instant. It's 9:22 here, AM. And I haven't slept all night, huh? I still haven't slept. So when I'm done with this, I'm gonna fall asleep like a baby. Open. Open. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. I like how gritty the game is, huh? It's quite gritty.
This wasn't a handoff. It was a massacre.
How many?
I'd have to count the pieces.
Oh, good lord. Who could have done such a thing?
That's what I'm gonna find out.
Gordon, Eastside Docks, Warehouse 133.
Oh look, intestines. Exploded human remains. Let's look at them.
Nothing left to bury. Analyzing. It's a volatile chemical. Potential psychoactive nerve agent. Vile stuff.
You see, Batman is a detective. That's what I like about this game, because they put the detective
Have the
in
computer
Batman in
catalog
this
the
game,
compound for further analysis.
rather than the punching and all that stuff. Oh, okay.
Whatever exploded did so with enough force to obliterate the person standing next to it. But the chemicals themselves were inert, non-explosive.
Well, it appears to have made a pretty big boom.
I'll see what I can piece back together. I've seen these outfits before. Same mercs that broke into City Hall.
I'm sorry if I'm spoiling it for you then, Instant. Open. I like to make these noises. Hey, Umbrella Agent! Welcome, buddy!
Looks like a bullet started this.
A normal bullet couldn't have caused that explosion.
Doesn't appear normal. The point of entry's melted.
Link to this.
The scrap of metal is from the exploded canister. But I need to know what caused the explosion.
Hang on, let's check out the cop. Batcat.
White Rose. Falcone's calling card.
He's been busy as of late.
Send the drones hunting. I want to know his every move.
Good thinking, sir.
Where did the shot come from? This guy?
No.
That bad?
Face slashed. throat torn open.
So, not natural causes then.
Skyline Club. This man's been badly burned, but the damage seems to originate from inside his skull. What did this?
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I don't like this. Ew. Ew. Use the fine. What? Use.
Sensors say it's an incendiary round. Phosphorus residue. This could have superheated the contents of the canister,
Causing the aforementioned boom.
Blood, broken nails, bits of human flesh.
So, can I link these together? It doesn't look like they have anything in common, but I'm gonna try.
A cop shredded this merc to pieces, barehanded.
God, what would cause someone to do that?
The nerve agent could make them psychotic.
Continue linking to reconstruct the crime. So what if... Let's see. These are linked. I cannot unlink them, can I? No. Check out the open world. What about this guy? You have anything for me? Info? Nothing up there.
Canisters were stored here. Canisters of what? It's a cop. The force grows thinner every day.
Oh, what's this? Ah, there must have been something on the ground. Yeah, a van.
Something was here when the explosion occurred.
So link? Alright, to... No. To the cop? Why? Why to the cop though? I'm not getting this. Break link. It's giving me the opportunity to break the link. So... No. No, I link it here. Okay, and then to here. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. No! No. Wait, I can break all the links. I don't get this. No.
The scrap of metal is from the exploded canister. But I need to know what caused the explosion.
Come to Europe, Stephen. Europe is awesome. We'll hang out. We can go to Amsterdam. And we can go to Italy. Hang on a sec. Hang on. I just had an idea. I don't know if this is gonna work though.
Find a connection.
The bullet that killed the cop is the same type that blew up the canister.
I'm sure they didn't find that at a local gun store.
It appears military.
So then I'll probably link the blast to this guy. I don't know. Does that make sense? No. What do I do? What do I do? I'm confused. No pants party in Malta. Yes, sure. I'm not wearing any pants right now. I don't know what I need to do. I'm lost. What about the guts? Nothing about the guts. Hang on, it's on scorch area with the blast epicenter. Hold on.
Someone drove off after the explosion.
Have you put it together?
Yes. Falcone leaving his rose here. This is a message. Dead cops, stolen chemicals. He's making a big move. One of his snipers hit a canister with an incendiary bullet, causing it to superheat and explode. This may have been a distraction or a way of destroying evidence. Cops moved in to stop the theft. Falcone's men gunned him down. Then things turned grim. Possibly due to the psychoactive nerve agent. A cop ripped up a merc's face with his bare hands. And was put down. Same sniper, same type of bullet. Looks like Falcone's men got what they wanted and escaped.
Have you located the shooter?
No, but based on two impact trajectories, the canister and the dead cop, the shooter could only have a clear shot from there, or there, and would have contaminated himself with the phosphorus residue. Program the skimmers to pick up that signature.
Right away, sir.
It's cool, I love it. So, We go up there first. Yes, yes, Deviant. The thing is, Batman is very, very detective. Originally, it's supposed to be a detective thing, so this game focuses on that. In fact, you get to play a lot with Bruce, as Bruce, not with Bruce. Yeah, but yeah, that's what it is. We're gonna look for residue of something. Ooh, looks like I guessed it right away.
Phosphorus spike. Clear vantage point. We have a winner.
I got it right away. Alright, now what? What do I do? Look at.
This is the right spot.
Well, there's some on the
So where
window,
did he
so
go?
he might have opened the window, buddy, and took off. There's a cigarette. You do have the Steam controller. I was thinking of buying it,
Killing time.
but then I was like, I would be buying it just so I can say I bought it. I have so many controllers. I can easily hook up a PlayStation 1 with my computer. I don't really need. But yeah, it looks gorgeous. I love it, huh?
Found him.
Time to go to work.
World's greatest detective. There it is, Deviant. There it is. Watch out!
My turn. Don't make me add your corpse to this grave.
Who sent you?
Falcone. Why did he do this?
I ain't telling you nothing.
Punch him.
You can't make
Forget
me
the
talk.
answers.
I ain't telling you, Jack. You trying to scare a confession out of me? I won't break.
Oh, awesome.
It's true what they said about you. You're a friggin' animal.
I'll make you talk.
Whatever it takes to make you talk. You know you can bleed to death without ever spilling a drop. All on the inside. Tell me the plan, or I start swinging.
If you're gonna hit me, hit me!
Can I smash this area? Intimidate.
Tell me!
The Catwoman was supposed to hand over a drive, had the container number we needed, but she flaked. So we had to find it ourselves. Container by container. Someone must have heard us, called the cops. We were told no witnesses.
Why risk open war with the GCPD?
Some kind of chemicals. Falcone wanted them.
What are the chemicals for?
We were paid to steal them, not ask questions.
Apply pressure. In Arkham City, you snap their fingers, you crack their fingers, all of them. You break their fingers until they talk.
Chemicals! Some kind of
I think it was their
explosive.
fingers, if I remember correctly.
A weapon! I don't know!
I never
Falcone
finished
said
that
he'd
game.
use them soon.
Used where?
That's all I know! I swear, I swear! I told you everything I know!
No, I'm not gonna break his arm. I believe him.
Animal!
Jesus Christ.
These are cops. Get an ambulance in here!
to call the coroner instead.
You know what? He's not on my.
It's
Well,
138.
actually, he is on my
Send the
side.
cleanup unit to the docks.
He's not on Bruce's
Warehouse
side, but he's on
133.
Batman's side.
Hey! Freeze! Don't move!
Stand down, Montoya.
No. Thank God. He was about to kill me.
You want to tell me what the hell this is all about?
I told you he was about to kill me. What are you waiting for? Arrest him.
Good to see you too, Gordon.
You know each other?
Falcone stole a shipment of chemicals. Appears to be a weaponized nerve agent. Causes people to go berserk, turn violent. We need to act before he releases it.
I got a task force on it.
You already have one.
You're taking this too far, Bruce.
I'm enjoying this, huh? I'm really enjoying this. Yeah, you're gonna... You have failed this city. I can't do it. Let me try. You have failed this city. I used to say that before I shoot my arrows. When I used to go archery.
Of a bat, but
I
you're
miss
not an
archery.
animal. You beat that man half to death. Your parents didn't raise you this way. And neither did I.
I've heard this before, Alfred.
Well, my words pass straight through you. There used to be a difference between Batman and the criminals he locked up in Arkham. That difference is shrinking. Especially now, during this preposterous attack on your family. You must show the world the true nature of a Wayne.
Giving everything to the city and then being murdered for it?
My thoughts exactly. Every time you leave this cave. You're a good man, Bruce. Good. Just like your parents. Don't lose that. I don't mean to be a doddering old fool on the subject, but as a friend, the burden of advice falls on me.
Trust me, I won't lose my way.
It's quite understandable to stray from the path now and again, so long as you can find your way back. You bury the person, Bruce, but you never bury the memory.
Sometimes I wish I could.
I don't think he does he?
That night, that alleyway, it made me who I am. I can't get it out of my head.
I don't think
that is your gift.
Gordon knows
and your
that
curse.
Bruce is Batman. No,
Being Batman
I think
can allow you
as
to
far as I
turn
know.
back the tide of treachery that's reached this city's shores, or drown you in its sorrow. When you doubt your fate, remember why you started all this. Remember that boy in the alley.
I won't forget.
Neither will I.
I would love a batsuit for Comic-Con. I will be a shorter version of a Batman.
Back into the fray again.
What do I do? What's been updated? The Codex, the Gotham feed. Let's check the Codex. Yeah, there's more people that I need to check now. What's this? A new friend, the message that Gotham City has in years, but okay, up there I think. Okay, so I get updates on their profiles. That's interesting. Skyline club owner, because we found the text. After an interrogation, a suspect admitted that Falcone's plans to use them soon. But how? Is it a weapon? Okay, what else? What about her? She's on my side apparently. She tried to prod me for a quote, claimed to want to help clear my family's name. No deal. I hope it's no deal. What about him? Okay, I was able to point Gordon at Falcone saving him valuable time. Montoya may not completely trust me yet, but I'll let Gordon assure her. Let me see if it says something about he doesn't trust. You see, there it is. He's good by the book cop in a department that doesn't trust Batman. He was recently tapped to lead the... I can't read, man. I can't read. I'm so tired. He was recently tapped to lead the Major Crimes Task Force. An impressive promotion, so he's doing something right. I think he could be a trustworthy and reliable source of info, but I'll need to cultivate that relationship. He's a family man. He's a family guy. So he's not willing to take necessary risks on the street. That's fine. I'll take the risks. Alright. I think that's it. All of them have been updated. What about this? Gotham feed. Corruption rumor tarnish Wayne family. Oh no! It's out in the public. Everybody knows now. The Waynes have been long considered one of Gotham's most respected families, but new allegations have tied family patriarch Dr. Thomas Wayne, Thomas Wayne, and his wife Martha to be the illegal business dealings of the Falcone crime family. If true, it's possible that the Wayne family's staggering fortune, estimated to be in billions, could be seized by authorities pending an investigation into their current business practices. That would be a blow to heir Bruce Wayne, who has continued his father's practice of using the money for philanthropy. However, Dr. Wayne met a violent end as the victim of a ransom street crime 2 decades ago. Thomas Wayne, yeah, Thomas Wayne. While there has been no comment on the allegations from Wayne, he did hold a private meeting with Falcone crime family head Carmine Falcone at the Wayne family's Gotham City mansion, which is only adding to speculation because we had a private conversation. And this is what was earlier. Okay. What do I do now? Bat computer. The bat computer. Now it's time to catch up with chat as well. I still haven't seen Batman vs Superman.
Well, looks like that egg finally cracked. And inside, Mayor Hill was hiding more than I could have imagined. This is a complete manifest of Carmine Falcone's criminal organization.
What in the world was Hill doing with all this? Illegal arms dealing, drug running, mob hits, money laundering?
They're working together. That would be my suspicion, that they're working together.
And it goes back years.
This is an insurance policy. Hill could expose Falcone if he didn't play along.
That would explain why he's never made a move against him.
Sure as hell better than any bodyguard. This is it, Alfred. With this proof, we can finally knock out Falcone's organization.
Where would we possibly begin to dismantle it?
This is a police matter.
There's only one cop we can trust to handle this evidence correctly.
Lieutenant Gordon. He could mobilize the entire police force against Falcone.
What about that reporter from the Gazette?
Vicky.
Yes, Miss Vale. She could release this evidence through proper channels. I suppose it comes down to who you want to help most. Or who you think could do the most good.
Oh, okay, so, hang on. Give data to... No, it's a police matter. I'll say it's a police matter. Wouldn't you trust the information to the police rather than to a journalist? No, it's James Gordon. I don't care. It's going to James Gordon. Maybe he'll trust me a bit more. I mean, he already trusts me, but no. It's James Gordon. Don't you agree, chat? It's going to James Gordon. I'm gonna go with James Gordon. I'm looking at chat. He always looks cute, just like Vloggy. Stop! I'm gonna need some wine. Before I make this decision, I'm gonna put the controller down and I'm gonna make some more wine. I'll be right back. Sorry about this, but it's a need. You see, Deviant agrees with Gordon as well. You see? So, yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. No, I didn't pass out. The reason why it took me a while, took me longer than a minute, is because I was spending some time crying that my wine is running out. Okay. Let's go. Gordon, I choose you.
The cops are on the front lines of this war. Gordon needs this more than anyone.
A wise decision, sir.
I'm wondering if
We'll attack
after
Falcone on two
every
fronts tonight.
episode now,
Gordon, through
like
the
every
police,
other Telltale game, I'm gonna get the choices that the people made, like the percentages.
By any means
I'd be
necessary.
interested in that.
Whatever Falcone is planning, it ends tonight.
He's a spider, Bruce. Eyes everywhere. A dense web of goons poised to trap you. No one has ever managed to bring him down.
I haven't tried yet.
This is a silver bullet. And it's gonna put Falcone down once and for all. I don't even want to know where you got this.
No, you don't.
Still, I gotta know one thing. Why give this to me? Don't get me wrong.
Take down Falcone.
I appreciate the hell out of this.
This isn't about politics. Gotham is safer with Falcone off the streets.
It's a first step in the marathon to fix this city. You know, as much as I appreciate you calling me here, I gotta make one thing crystal. I can't be bought. So you should know this isn't gonna change a thing about the investigation of your family. The Waynes always supported the Gotham police. So I
My
like to
family
believe there's
deserves
no
justice.
cloaks or daggers
It's all
hidden in
about
your
justice.
closet. Until we find nothing, though, I gotta play bad cop.
The investigation isn't the problem. It's the Wayne family name. Help me clear it.
If your family's clean, I'll sing it from the rooftops. If they aren't, I'll still sing. You gotta understand, I'm bound to this badge. I gotta go. Came straight from a crime scene, haven't been home yet. Sometimes I think this whole city's a crime scene. We're just walking through it.
What you're holding will make walking it much safer.
Thanks, Bruce.
Well, Lieutenant?
Hey, stick to Jim.
It's done.
Good. So is our hunt. The drones located Falcone downtown, a place called the Skyline Club. Although you're not dressed for that kind of party.
Well, I can always change in the car.
Let's see. Pew, pew. His car changed into the Batmobile. No way. That's a bit of a stretch, but okay. I don't like that. But whatever. Skyline Club, 9:19 p.m.
Drones, cameras, and scanning tech are fully functional.
All right. Let's find Falcone.
Okay, we're gonna spy. We're gonna stalk.
Good point of entry.
Okay, I can move. What about this? What does this do? Patrons.
Tell me another.
What's the difference between the Mafia and City Council?
I don't know. Aren't they the same thing?
Only one of them is organized.
Ooh, you're cute.
So, you alone?
Not anymore, Hassan. Where's Nikki? In lockup. Again? Christ, Kimmy. What did they pinch him for now? Some hit down at the docks. Nikki? No. I didn't think he was a hatchet man. You and me both. Well, does he got an alibi? Honey, I'm always his alibi.
I'm looking at the comment. Bat drone. Yeah, I bet it's called a bat drone. The bat drone. There's a camera right there.
Cameras.
The entire floor is under surveillance. You'll be detected as soon as you enter.
No time for subtlety.
You make your round? Yeah, no broken bones. Still healing from the last time, I bet. All it took was a couple of C notes this time. Nice and easy. Nice and easy my ass. I know you burned powder tonight. The whole city can smell it.
The white rose. Falcone's symbol.
A red rose after tonight. Nothing here.
Okay, I think I've surveyed the whole area, I think.
That's the most heavily guarded door in the building.
Gotta be Falcone's hideout.
Well, it won't be as easy as ringing the doorbell.
4 armed guards. Stealth not an option. I'll put together a plan of attack. Stand by.
Now what do I do?
Couple of options for taking this guy down.
What do I do? Why do I link it to the modern art? Doesn't make sense. Oh, wow. I like that. This guy's armed too? Yes. Should we attack him with a folding screen? Or with a coffee table? Coffee table sounds awesome. There you go. Oh, I thought he was gonna lift up the coffee table. He's gonna slam them. That's fine. I'm enjoying this. You see, there's a lot of homework involved before you make your attacks. I'm gonna smash his face. There we go. So cool. And I think there's one upstairs, yeah? Has to be one upstairs. Where is he? Where is he? I thought there was another one upstairs. Or is it him? Is it him? No? Has to be another one armed. Come on. It's 1, 2, 3. There has to be another one. This guy? Nope. Where's all of them? Is that all of them, perhaps? I don't know. This guy, no. This guy. I forgot about this guy.
This one might be tricky. Any ideas?
I've got it covered, Al.
Yeah, we're just gonna pull him away, probably. Something like that. It's funny how he has to do the homework. It's so funny.
Bruce, have you formulated your plan of attack?
I'm going in. I'm going in.
I'm going in.
I should have voiced Batman.
Very good, sir. Your turn to crash
I'm
his
Batman.
party.
Here we go. I have a tendency of putting my controller down when there's a cutscene, but you see, that's why I didn't now. It took longer to plan the attack rather than do it. Oops! Wrong button.
Goddamn circus freak! Show yourself! You got no goddamn right to be here! I run Gotham in a mess! The hell?
You're going down, buddy. And I'm going up. Batarang! Ah, that hurts.
How about this one? You can't sneak up on me.
EMP armed.
You think that's gonna work? I'm gonna light up this goddamn...
You're done, Falcone. You're done.
Get your goddamn hands off of my suit! You know who my lawyers...
Stay down, Falcone. We can end this now.
You got a lot to learn.
He says kid, like he doesn't when he's Sully. He called him kid, like Sully does. Press X and use R2 to use your finishing... What? Did I just fail? I just failed! I was trying to understand what's going on. Oh man. Let's try again. Let's try again. I died the first time. How long have I been playing? 2 hours?
Explosives armed.
That's
Fire
what I
when
have
ready.
to do. Look. There it goes. Talk.
Answers now, or you fall.
You wouldn't. All right.
The chemicals. Where are they?
What?
I found your calling card at the docks. The White Rose.
You think I wanted to lead you here? Yeah, something reeks about this whole thing. And it is a dead bat.
Still want to play games?
We're all being played here, including you. Those chemicals you're so riled up about, they're mine, all right? But someone is trying to cut me out of the deal because I did not make that mess at the docks.
Then who did?
No, we're done. Gotham's watching now. Go ahead. Give
What
him
do
a
you mean?
show. I'll
Arrest?
be walking free by tomorrow morning.
Or brutalize? No, arrest.
Gotham.
Arrest. People were watching. You can't do that.
Oh, wait. Christ almighty.
Spill it, Falcone! While you still can.
It's the Waynes.
What?
They're behind all this.
What do you mean?
You want to save this city? Well, the Waynes are the biggest gangsters in Gotham.
Thanks for the assist. Now we only have to take one of you down. Open fire!
What?
Fire and smoke could reportedly be seen from street level tonight. Club, a high-rise mafia hangout in downtown Gotham, was the arena for a clash between the notorious Batman and alleged mob boss Carmine Falcone, who was found dangling over a 50-story drop. Bet Falcone loved that view. Though I'd say the crime boss getting his is well overdue, Falcone has slipped through the law's grasp for years, but after this dramatic arrest and evidence released by the GCPD's Lieutenant Gordon, Falcone's going away for a long, long time. And speaking of newly uncovered criminal dealings, this brings me to the story everyone is talking about, the Wayne family. For generations, the Big W on the tower was a reassuring sight. You knew that there was something pure at the heart of Gotham, that this city, for all its faults, was built by good people. But with Thomas' reputation called into question, we no longer have such assurances. And even worse,
You don't get any subtitles when this guy's talking on the TV, I noticed.
Gotham's greatest son, Bruce Wayne, seen here shaking hands with Carmine Falcone, may be just as crooked as his parents.
Why are they making such a big deal because he shook his hands?
Back saying,
Is it a cultural thing? I think it's manners to shake someone's hand. Doesn't mean you're in business with
in a
them.
world where the Waynes, our golden family, are corrupt, who are we left with? Who can Gothamites look up to? The supposed hero Batman? Only time will tell. Meanwhile, we'll keep digging for the truth. But the prominent feeling throughout Gotham is that the Waynes' time in the sun is ending.
Suit, the car, this entire cave.
Master Bruce?
Everything I built. I created all of this because I didn't want any more innocent people to die.
If Falcone's telling the truth about my parents,
Then what the hell did we do this for?
Bruce,
What have you been hiding from me?
This is how it's gonna end, for sure. It's gonna leave me hanging for another 2 months, for sure. Yeah, I figured. There you go. There you go. Alright, there you go. So, did you stick up for Harvey's in front of Falcone? Yes, I did. You can share the choice? Hold on. How can you share the choice? I'm gonna try this. Okay, so I need to create an account. As if. Not now. What else? Did you provide a quote for figures? Yes, I have. Everybody has. Look at that. 94.5% of the people provided the quote. That's interesting. What else? You went 46, so I wasn't majority here. Did you break the dog's shooter arm? I didn't. Most people did. You guys are so violent. I wasn't. I was trying to be Batman. Batman doesn't. Well, he doesn't kill actually. Anyway, no. What else? Did you give the Falcone data to gave the Falcone data to Lieutenant Gordon? You see, 67.6% agreed with the decision I did. You see, look at that. Look at that. What else? How did Batman deal with Falcone at the end? Showed restraint and handed Falcone over to the authorities. Okay. So, okay, 15.7 actually brutalized him. But no, come on. That wasn't right with the thing. So 83. You see, 84.3 people have sense. That doesn't mean that I will not play this game again and do the wrong choices to see what the turnout will be. I will definitely play this again and I'll do the wrong choices. What else? And these are the 500. Alright. 46.1 of players showed mercy near the dogs. Interesting, very interesting. Alright, okay. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I don't know, I just guessed, to be honest with you, Devin. I don't know if it's gonna be 2 months. Or maybe a month. But usually this is how it goes with Telltale games. Sometimes it's a month, sometimes it's 2. But I like to be pessimistic, and I say 2. So maybe they'll just surprise me and they'll say it's coming out next week, because they have a tendency of doing that too. Sometimes they have a tendency of doing that. They release a trailer and it says coming out next week. Like, whoa, I wasn't expecting that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, as always, let's try again. As always, Telltale has a tendency of giving us a trailer, what's gonna happen next in the next episode, and I see that already option down there. Next time on. So if I press X, we're gonna get the next time on. Are you guys ready? Let's watch.
When your parents... They left me as caretaker of their estate, their son, and their secrets. I would never betray them. Were good people, Bruce, no matter what that thug Falcone told you.
Then swear to me there's no truth to it.
The evidence you brought me on Falcone held up. Maybe I misjudged you.
Now Batman's beating up mobsters too. Wonder who he's after next.
Hell of a view.
Bruce, the Wayne name is toxic. I have to do what's best for my campaign. What's best for Gotham. I have to distance myself.
I will find the truth.
Anyone who stands in my way.
And there it is. That's it. It was fun. You see, at first when I started playing Telltale... Wow, I need to sleep. When I started playing Telltale games at first, I was like, ugh, the graphics, and quick time events. And it's true, it's just pretty much quick time events and making choices and all blah blah blah. but they are very good at telling stories. Telltale are very, very good at telling stories, whether it's The Walking Dead, Batman, Minecraft. Actually, yesterday I even bought Back to the Future. They made the Back to the Future game and it's so good. It's like the 4th movie, I kid you not. And I bought it simply so that I can stream it. So I'll do that. When I do stream it, I am gonna get copyright claimed or something like that, because that's how it is. The music is epic. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. That was awesome. Thank you so much for hanging out, those of you who stuck around for so long. If you haven't subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I stream at least twice a week, for sure. And I like to stream very, very random games, particularly survival horror and narrative games like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye!